So there's been a lot of controversy about masks, and now there's more and more conversation about a vaccination. And it's really true. We really do need a vaccination. So the question is, when is the vaccination going to come? And let me just do a little bit of math with you, okay? So the kind of a mini algebra or with you and concept of proportionalities. So what do you think the likelihood is of actually having a vaccine out by the end of this year? I would say it's about 50-50. 50% likelihood. Okay? Now the second question is the vaccine actually going to work? And I would say if they put the vaccine out, I think there's some doubt in the news, but I do believe that if the vaccine comes out, there's a good probability it will work, maybe 80%. So doing the math, what that means is if there's a 50% possibility of having a vaccine by the end of this year and an 80% possibility that it actually works, then 50% times 80% gets you down to 40%. 40% probability that you will have a vaccine that works by the end of this year. Now the third factor is, what is the probability that you will be able to distribute the vaccine and have enough so that a large part of the population will get the vaccine? Now, there's a lot of different factors involved. One of the factors that we're talking about in Hawaii is the ability to refrigerate the vaccine at a cold enough temperature. And we're very concerned about that, because if we have large supplies of the vaccine and they have to be kept at a cold enough temperature with 2 vaccinations, and we have to get it out to our general population with a priority given, of course, to healthcare workers and high-risk patients first, the probability of doing that correctly is probably 50% by summer of next year. So you start off with a 40% probability of having a working vaccine by the end of this year, together with a 50% probability of having that vaccine widely available and administered. You're now down to 50% times 40%, which is 20%. 20% likelihood that by the summer of 2021 that the vaccine will be widely administered throughout Hawaii. What that means is we have a long road ahead.